Guys, welcome back to another episode. Today it's going to be part 2 of the body kit install. So right now I have the side skirts off. I was trying to get them to fit better, but last time when I was trying to put them on, I noticed that on the passenger side there was some Bondo when I was drilling. So earlier I went ahead and hit it with a hammer so I can get all the Bondo off, and now I'm gonna go ahead and try to grind it down to bare metal. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and make like a little sheet metal patch here just to fix it, and I could secure the side skirt better, because there's really nothing to secure it here anymore since I took out most of the Bondo. So let's get to grinding. This is the welder that I'm going to be using to weld on the patch that we just cut out. It's a Longevity MIG Weld 100. It's a flux core welder, so it's basically the same as the Harbor Freight flux core welder. And the kind of wire that I'm using is Lincoln 030 flux core wire. And since I am welding really thin sheet metal, I think this is about 20 or 22 gauge. I have the wire speed on 1, and I have the voltage on minimum. You don't get much adjustability with these super cheap flux core welders, so this will just have to do for now. I'm not really good at welding, so I'm probably gonna burn through a lot, but that's all about learning, and let's see how this goes. Alright, as you saw, that was fucking scary. Welding is super dangerous, and I think some of the insulation caught fire. Luckily I was able to put it out by blowing on it and just hitting it, but now I have a fire extinguisher, and I also plugged up that hole there so that no sparks get in there. Alright guys, it's another day, and I'm gonna try to fix the bumper, the rear bumper where I messed up, but I kind of marked it up where it's indenting, and then where it's also kind of popping up. So I think I'm gonna cut a relief cut somewhere here and then lay some fiberglass to try to straighten this out. Okay, so I made the cuts. I basically cut where the cracks were. So this part was where it was indenting, and this part is where it was kind of like bowed up, and there's also a crack here. So now I'm going to try to fill it from the back, probably put some tape on the front side or the top side here, and then fill some fiberglass from the back with resin, and then I'm going to probably clamp this whole piece so that it sits level. I put some cardboard and painter's tape on the back side of where I'm going to put fiberglass, just for some support and to prevent leaking through. So I'm using the Bondo brand fiberglass resin. It calls for every ounce of this, you're going to drop 10 drops of hardener. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure out, I guess, 2 ounces for now. Alright. So I finished fiberglassing the tabs, and also I have this clamp so that it'll be straight. So now we're just gonna wait for this to dry. While that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and weld in the patch that I didn't finish welding yesterday. This is a completely new piece. This one, I think it'll be a lot easier to weld because I'm just going to lap weld it wherever it touches the existing panels. As you guys saw previously, welding is really dangerous. I almost caught my car on fire, but now I have the new patch ready to be welded, grounds attached. And I also picked up a new fire extinguisher. I for sure know this one works, just to be on the safe side. So let's get back to welding. So I'm done welding, and here is the final piece. The welds are pretty shitty. I mean, what do you expect from a flux core welder? I'm gonna have to grind it down with a flap disc. Alright, I got everything grinded down. Alright guys, it's been a couple days now, and I've let the fiberglass cure in the meantime. So there's that patch job that we did. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess fiberglass here and then try to fill the cracks in with some Bondo, and so that I could sand it smooth and flat. And then I also have the tabs done as well. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this to shape as well. Alright, the rocker panel is smoothed out. Pretty good job at blending. And you can't see all that spatter anymore. I'm done sanding the bumper, and it's actually pretty good. I thought I was gonna have to fill in the cracks a bit more, but everything seems really smooth, and I'm pretty happy with the result. Also, I just quickly sprayed a coat of filler primer just to prevent some rust. What do you guys think about this patch job? It was mainly just so that I could have a place where I could mount my side skirt, because initially there wasn't actually anything here. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of my work and how everything is going so far. So I finally have the side skirt here secured with 2 zip ties, and the thing's pretty sturdy, it's not going anywhere. Alright, so I masked off the area where I want to cut the vent holes for the front fenders. I did it to both sides, and we're going to go ahead and use a Dremel with a cutting wheel to go ahead and cut the vents out finally. Okay, I'm done with the finishing touches on the fender vents. Here's the driver's side. And here is the passenger side. Alright, so that was a lot of work over the past couple of days, but I think it was worth it. It's all about the learning experience. I was learning a lot working with fiberglass, cutting, grinding, welding, a lot to do with body work and such. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Sorry if it was kinda all over the place. I'd like to thank all of the new subscribers that I've gotten recently. I really appreciate you guys' support, as well as everyone who has been subscribed since the very beginning. If you guys do enjoy the videos, please give it a like. Also, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the build and how it's going so far. Thank you to everyone who does comment. It really helps out the channel a lot. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.